bathe in nature is the way my husband puts it. It's just a feeling of freedom. We get out of the cars, we get out of the people, and we just get on the trail, and we love the land around Bend. I grew up in the South, and then I migrated to the West about 30 years ago, actually. And my husband and I and our 3 girls came to Bend in 2010, so we've been here 15 years. At the time, we really felt like we'd won the lottery, honestly. Started out as an appraiser, but I quickly realized that I missed the one-on-one, the working with people directly. And so I decided that I would go into real estate because I knew that in real estate, the relationships would be forged. I joined Sotheby's a few years ago, and I really do feel like the brand represents excellence, and I like that. I want to be a part of that. I came to the Ladd Group because the brokers on the team are really experienced. One of the things I love about the group is the collaboration, though. My colleagues are always willing to give me insights or support. Those resources together really provide benefit to my clients. And that to me is the most important part of being on this team. I hope that the clients that I help believe that I worked as hard as I could for them. I hope that they're not just satisfied, but just really elated to be where they are. I don't want to lose them as people in my life. I want to be a trusted advisor for life. I want them to come back to me when they need help with their portfolio, or they need to talk about real estate or find out what's happening in the market. I just want to be that person that they always turn back to.